Alright, so I'm back, guys. Remember, I had just updated you about today's trades. I had taken 5 trades before, so I'm back with the final hour trading. So I took this long, and we have recouped somewhere around $700 of this loss we made today, and that is a nice move. I want you to enjoy it there. So I entered off that breaker on the 3 minute time frame in this macro, the final macro, and I expect the market to just give me just straight delivery to deliver buy side, because we were in an accumulation. We took out the sell side right there, as you can see on the earnings. Then the market reversed, inversed that fair value gap, then put in the order block for us. So this was a nice trade. Took it out at the trailing stop loss, and I think I was fine. Putting stop loss at break even, being so conservative with my trade, because I had already taken losses. So this is just to recoup a little bit. You can see the contracts are minimized. So from 10 contracts, we have dropped to 5 contracts now, risking somewhere around maximum of $180. So as you can see, I'm looking at that black candle where the market is currently to act as an order block. So I'm looking at main threshold of that to act as my current stop loss. If it stops me out, then it is fine. I have a breaker on the left hand side of my trade, and I'm looking at it to hold. So this is a live commentary. I just wanted to just inform you about how we are going to get out of this little drawdown we are in. So floating around $170, we made $4,100 loss today, and it's a bit hectic, but all the other accounts are back to the initial, so it's fucked up. I'm going to be trying to move slowly again, see whether we can get this payout next week. And so this account is, if we can make $1,000 tomorrow and $1,000 and the next day, then we can be fine, we can be sorted. So just looking at the market dropping just like that, I think we need to speed this up a little bit. I'm having that daily fair value gap marked. Those are the quadrants you are seeing on chart. We have the 0.5 and the 0.25. Those are the quadrants you are seeing on the chart. I want the market to give me the top of that fair value gap for me to think of closing. So I'm marking out my opening range, 12 a.m. 12:30 opening range, because now I know we are going to deliver to it. I had put it off the chart. That's how I mark it for reference if you didn't know. So the market just gives me a straight up move. I just want it to be inversed, and the market using it as support. I hate saying the word support analysis. I'm trailing my stop loss to cover any profit I can get off this trade, to recoup even a little bit of my loss, and it is fine. So I'm floating around $500 right now. I was looking at my stop loss being at the consequent encroachment of that daily fair value gap after we close above that upper quadrant. So if I get my closure, I'm left with 35 minutes to the market closure. This is the final hour, floating around $490, $500. So looking at that closure above 0.75 of that daily fair value gap, stop loss moved because the market rejected it. I didn't expect it to give me a drop lower. I want market to deliver buy side. That's the volume imbalance right there. I want to see the market respecting that or not coming back into it. So the market came back, gave that black candle a bottom wick it didn't have. So I expect the market to rally from there and close above the 0.75, as you can see, which is at 26239 and a quarter. So we close above it and looking to trail my stop loss further. We're left with 33 minutes to market closure, floating around $667, 65, 70. So that candle got its bottom wick, so I expect the market to rally off of it. I'm having an order block right there, the one that's forming. So I expect the market to close where it is right now. I want it to rally to the top of that daily fair value gap. This is a little bit sped up, floating around $700. Stop loss is at the top of the 12 AM 12 opening range. We closed above the half of the upper quadrant of that fair value gap, so stop loss moved to that. Looking to target that high. I want to see whether the market can deliver to it. It's looking clean, marking it out right now as my buy side. I want the market to just rally. We are soon opening up the new 30-minute candle, as you can see. So yeah, we rally above that, got stopped out at the trading stop loss. I trade my stop loss too tight, and I'm fine with it, because man, who was going to close the day with a huge loss? Trade my stop loss to that. Same thing, this candle didn't have a bottom wick, market gave it a bottom wick. I expect the market to come back and drop further below it. And mind you, that top of that fair value gap, market was respecting that. Right, so if it comes back, I'm fine. Left with a little 28 minutes to market closure. I want that to act as a volume balance, acting as support for the market. The market rallies through it, then I'm out with a profit of $700. So it is so fine, so much fine. Thank you.